Flooding near a course of Accra, I mean, Big Blue, Eddie Ama Ghana for Pie, say, account internet now account to the Befer Fidius, and I union crying for, and one was out to range me out to Yama or Mokafra. My queen seem be brave. Now, come here, says I deal with minim, sir. And no moon 2 I need 2 whom are Fibiano, say Anna is not enough, say Neo. I don't really know, but the air can say Yamamomo shedding na one enkafra. Na yen in the internet is one who video be a just air trendy ababa a friend of Camila Al Hassan. I would you say flooding na AC no enyekwa na one of the who say Omampeni a quite of fast will be the end. Was in MP 32 be high the share form. I was not for way the same way dear. As so chain me. Mama young quay. The uncle team from one castle and Numa watch him say, one man penny quite fast or baby dear dear. Was what in the 2 Marco 32 and what they say from Ababa one in the essay. Young court na young tea.
What if flight him? What if flight him? Why you say? Uncle buy circle I shall many times. Uncle better na so circle I shall many times. Mo sie nentwie baku 32 wasase ase simply because by hook or crook ese obedi ade ase edi nketia ye nipa se sami jemfi sam George di asem no mo anka sa flooding we de ye hu bi da e wo mo se ye tonsuo pa nsuo to awe de broso nkoa obaye wo nkoa obaye amagana bre yamana mo sie no doson amagana wadi we chase we dimi ankasa nkoa obaye ya kwa kan yesi man ka say we hu uti flight mu yo be man ka say ufa car nanka wonante Ghana asase so nanka obeti pen won say warehouse kura ne mefa nso fa ne ma wo warehouse ama nso nkrofo nso gina mu yidi o mu pe don komi no ade bi wo papa ye nye nso wo de also be ye uti so uti play mu e na wo check 24-hour economy man wo check 24-hour market a wo be si mamba omu kofi omu hu be bonti no ma ko dware because on go do fia on kunu nu be ka so omu dware omu hu bon wo ye ma mic pe na be nonsense sa so be koto da be na be start with central region obi a be start to obi a central region kan ko pe be tena se to be na we ko isu to kan ko da lodi na nche nkran sa Beyonce ni nche na nipa ndwene no sa we hu wuti ha wo so mfa ma ye friend say hwan form omu nye adwuma no Odi be man crofo foforo. Unfa ma assembly. Unfa ma sanitation bio. Anya wa. Sa sanitation for disika. Yakodi loan na breast sanitation for unfa nye hwe. Na wo ba obeje fi sanitation for. Na wo je ye no. Anya wa. Seko hwe no seko shi ta. Nshi otonso na baby shi. Hey! Who ya dio? Unkwa ho ba eja hihie. Hey Mr. Pad. Unya ba perfect intro. Ese wo chapad. Saga wide. Odu se pad na na be ye bibia ma enti tukoso no wakisin nwe o chire bia nkasa se wasa akoto alumi ababi na do train na okoto ye no ni de okofa baaye the same thing wasa akoto alumi wasa akoto kafrugban asa abakro mu ha bi adenti na wotete ho sa unu wa na ekwa challenge train na masa akoto no Minister of Highways and den your friend say train and hwan makoto aba no train dey say mon twetwa na lumi as soon as possible na mo anton mo be hu na den dey asema is it that is incompetency or what train ye wo bi na do eje bi instead of so be power no na aye adwuma no wasa kofa konko aba sa na ete na kofa abobulance bai wasa kofa konko na do train okoto bai ne dey oto bai na the same thing na ye papa we kura dan ya trains kananka wo de makokofo ana say necessaries uchi ya anka honum no solve problem jama nkrofo na akoto tre wo mo no ni o ma sign contract wa kakra be de tire mu be chedi afeotin wiem na wa yesi ade o ma me ye kra wo de flight chopper ne ko helicopter me ba be kasa helicopter e na wo de ko ye e be de na won ta wiem na won hwe Ghana de ekoso nkrofo ye adwuma wo ba wa beto say o mo ye sanitation for Ministry of Sanitation o mo ye. Oh, I also went to film 1 year 6 months in. You see Accra for yourself. Company na boka flooding a funny amount of Sujine Momoyi. Oh Mahama, who pay Wally Van Dam. He never seems to amaze nipa daseni. Ana utu bail mu, light bail utu water bail mu. Adia sa uya unye. Tray ya wakwato abe tray yedi kwa sasade. Yedi kwa fa atukuko tukwa na yako fade. One ya no toye nuwe. Is it force? I sa upesa uni MPP for uni yako challenge. Is it force? Sikana ye hiya dia ya dia de nye nune hiya. Asa kufa konko haba. Mebwa. 24-hour economy market man. Hospital sisi ho. Unye. Insure ya tutoye se eberi atata. Entontomo su beri nipa. Kama nipa benya malaria. Onkwala benya malaria. Busumi ya ewu. Otina 1st July. From 1st July insure ni be start aba from kakra. Obeto kra ontoto kakra kasa. Afe na ntontomo su be di him. Because wura ba befu. Ya yebo spray still wura ba befu. Papa concert na wuyi na alignment na wuyi niema na ehu hia na wuyi no papa kachira wo dining hall prophet no kachira me say ombie hospital na manivigo envim no ombie hospital because ntutu beri nipa ko hospital nya usika because health insurance no kura nya papa mahama care no kura wo de ba nya papa bibia wo betu ni di nsu ntimi ye papa kachira kwabina minta kando se Camilla me say ntuntum baba bawie ye be hia hospital buncha nurse for ne careers ni chichese no na the center mo be hospital no because nsu ato ntuntum afa no mbe wo mienu miensa mesero ahun be bia wote soro ho na wo hwe concept nko alignment nko atro we na wo say ma 5 years no say wo majority your friend say parliament house into the tekrebe nu omasu e de aboni ki afa de afo mu trum into who say some amendment na more 5 years. And can you na sa yes committee ni pa dia. Or to one ja tom tom you know mu baby on befa. Muti opposition sa me jamfi mu nyina we ni. Nso na do in 8 years nso yiri Ghana da. E wo mu say nyame na ye na de. Ba niema na mu de sha asase ase. Mu sie mu na ntwe 32 ni niema na ye ho niema mu sie ye. Mu wie ye mu chepad. E kamuchi so na president the whole Ghana. The whole globe, the whole reasingina. Open na oba uche pad, Mr. Pad. 24-hour economy man, 24-hour nkoko. Come go sit down. Someone, you know wo kroma. You know wo kroma. Pe tia mayanyam.
Otrofo na ese me dance ni wa brocher friend Camilla Lasa e na wo chi mu se chese eniema nkweyi ne nsem ono nso wo ka no na wo wie ya pe na Kwame Plus se ensem na esi mu obi amfa President John Dramani Mahama Kwame Plus da bi na eto da yankasa ya so oden ne niema bi na ya na ema no ekobasa yenko tie honorable Kwame Plus me MP ba Kwame me feeling no guy rough yenko tie no.
Nobody for this country want hear anybody we want tell them what is right. My people, you go to Osu here, there is a slum. There is a slum in Osu. The place where they go demolish not long ago, regional minister made they go, the fisheries there. Where in this world do you find such a slum at a beachfront like Osu? It should be nice skyscrapers. It should be, go to Dubai, look at these people on the desert, look at what they are building. Osu, there is a slum, and they go do demolition. When you go to that place, people build churches for there. They go do demolition, then people, that's why they insult people, because you're praying for work. Your brain for work, and they go destroy people their things. Where in this world, because you know travel before, because you know get sense, because you know see anything before. So when they tell you the right thing, no one listen, and people will come, and you are not honorable. You have to see. Make I tell you people something. Make you never ever think about the day Shatawale go fall, the day Stoneboy go fall, the day Sakura. Don't think about your life. And me, the day where they go talk say A+ lose the election, by that time me and Dan go take this sample, we they drink wine. I tell you, the only people where they fear to tell people the truth is the people where they steal common fund. Because they know say if they do it, people go talk. Me this year, common fund, I don't know how much come inside. I know they use that money to travel. So I tell you the truth. President say, A+ give us money. A+ bring engineers, it brings surveyors, it bring quantity people to do feasibility study on the road. We do everything finished, and he present them to us. Say, make we, how they call them? Make we build the road, and somebody come. Okay, we understand where you get the money for. You have to know. Is it donation? It's woman, you think all politicians be the same, eh? And you think that when you talk shit, we tell you shit, where you take screenshot, where you go post them, they change. Me, my popularity they increase every day. You know, we change anything. I mean, the people that they follow me be called. It be called following. Stupid boy. I got it from your stupid father. There's foolishness there inside this country where nobody they feel talk, where everybody they fear. Me, I say my next campaign, I go day beach, make the beach. Now go for not to Obama because only say Akwana not bring you too Akwana smart. The things I can I come me be bon crofoti now me be kambanku. Hey, honorable kambanku. Honorable kambanku. Yeah, my office moving pick my better be make kambanku. Hey, because vote be that damn crop. I'm come to lie to the people. I want vote in the young kambanku. Hey, I'm so humble me kambanku. The fuck me go kambanku side. I'm building their lives. I have a team in China. I have an office in China. One day, today, after this video, come back to I will post my office and my team in China working for Gomwa to bring development to Gomwa. They are working. They just released a video. Look, I'm so popular on Chinese social media. I will show you some of the things that they post on Chinese social media about me. I don't have time for Bangkun. Menka Bangkun. Huh. Honorable Bangkun. How? Mommy after ya green ye Juma. As a country. Those days now, near that for politics now, you can't bank. Come. Me, I'd forgo take my money. Now, president can confirm, say, a plus way, it be 1,000. He do this, he do this, he do this. The time where I do Easter Carnival, that same time, I pay highways to come and fix the road. I finish now, I move to Dubai. I for meet some people, see, I go bring them come go more. From there, I move to China. I do promotions. I do investment promotions for China. From there, no, I fly back to Dubai because I know finish the job I have do for there. From there, no, I come back to Ghana. I come and no chop a few days. I fly straight into Canada. The time your MP they watch ball for Canada, then they Charlottetown, they chase Solar. The time your MP they watch ball, they Charlottetown, they chase Solar. The people see me, they say, hey, Kwame, over here ball. They say, Agora, otum for ne diga manche, eti ho. Me den akotena hobi. Me ndu ho. Me dem me hwe adwuma ma me kru mu for. I no reach there. I come back. I can't go back to Canada. I go Japan. I know they go common fund day district assembly. But if you go take that money.
Oba Ashanti Regional, former Ashanti Regional Minister, Kasa Honorable Simon Osei Mensah, and Walker said the entire Ashanti region flood and intimate faha bebrebe in Sweden intimi hano. Also, my parents bridges Mako 26 and no year Ashanti Regional. Chese and no na abua men nei in Suena airtono flooding no ebintimi and for Ashanti region. To also what Ashanti Regional that's here. No the MPP abanase sounds womo and a bay bridges Mako 26. Chese one of the shesha Ashanti memwa amenne in Sua air to chese yiri fan kofono ebi intimi emfaha yenko na yenkuti ensama former regional minister honorable onso okay
talking about project mama chiro woni mdenti Ashanti region yen who flood in send ye osi hu no yeah 26 bridges Anna and
you as me
under me
you as a regional minister
yes.
Had Bantama, what's his name?
Asasa Boachi.
Bridge Amoye no.
Atafua.
Of course.
Sesen Kanipa. And even before no. One with Samad Hospital. The same Samad exactly. Maminko TUC Junction. TUC Junction. One who Gracefield Church. You see?
Honorable.
Offer church long friends at Gracefield. On say Honey.
Yeah.
And there's restaurant be whose restaurant hall there's a bridge linky a hundred yes if you want sound about Gracefield and no see a cop TUC Junction of course Samad Maka when Moshi zone go between Tafo on thing in a jai my main sound
no very serious but not conform to school no krana enyema ha
exactly CCC OCCC we free
Airport runabout.
Airport runabout. Book. Yeah. Oko free hono. Yeah. Adukrum. Kuma kanom side ho. Yeah bi. Ofa ejoso de kodo na aso a bridge ho ye koye. Ufri apiedu kodo nyina yaye. Ufri Sawia Junction ekosre so. Ye sa bridge si nyina tu hu bi. And the almighty atafua. Yeah. Eti we mu nyina na reduce so eno. Besides that, Omapani ku 4 years storm drain. Ebesi Atonsu agogo market nachi. Atonsu market nachi. Ebi frɛ no high school junction. Ɛhɔ. Omapani ku 4 free so no. Ya ntoa sa storm drain no. Ti first nsuo to a na ho nyina yiri. Yes, our bridge, I storm drain 38 meters by 2 kilometers. Correct S lines in the whole viewer. These were the measures that the two aquam. Ma, see, that's a traditional baby and the echo. We are not to China. First week in January, every year, Nami issue circular to all MMDs. Say, Obiande salty all profound drains a one way area latest by 31st March. Till by 31st March, now what desalting in
you have 1 month to do that.
No, or even 3 months. From January, February. That time not dry season, so no start here, try and start March. Nemuati. So no bar and nemu your win problem. And then any problem be until say once be kajetia locks be no be to locks be obi be yes nti ebe share why ma ho yiri nti no nti na enyiri no we did lot of work.
You see, imagine said those projects are working mo sha say na nkamo anwan ka fa so be na wo so.
Listen, ti so ka kire me say ensa ho hia enan hia sensa na aka chem say ni ho hia ano ehia sensa. That is what they are saying. You see, Mami Chow. No, let's educate the public well. Obodi ne wo ho no. Baby a won function. Aban etise obodi. E won sa, e wani, e wo hwene, e waso, e wo nan, e wo fro. Omu nyina no at any particular time omu hia bibi. E wo so ye ma ho. Ba ko betimanya more Asibi, but you cannot neglect the ebia yema wani because ebia wa anya wani befra ebia wa hu say waso wo problem uja to hwa waso besi wona ya oya uja ya wona no de besi. You see, so look at it as human body. Utimi nya part bi even though say part bi ebenya more. They say anoni yefunu upompo da bia bedidi obenom obenya more in all the other but onu nya more no na affect certain areas enti ye koya tafo bridge no wo be he ne say a bridge e be a road but near dey solve flooding say obi angu what is that before call Graceland ho na ke say nka yiri e kwan na si what is obi call
say sanyema we ye me wo hide me no kan say there are 1 or 2 things on man for and Shadan Tiasie people from MPP near whatever the region and me and Timas say dear my need. Honestly,
I don't know, sir. Opa go health year and yaka home assembly extensively 11 December 2023 me a press briefing war Prempa Assembly Hall. Go, you see it.
Me go do.
Na we are exactly but me koye we are and me and the same person make me call every radio station and na invite him and e ba
they make no bia unyantimas there me who say when it comes to the communication about nyama amoye ya there are times you even had communication people honestly oba na obisa no one an opportunity let people know demaye trust me and now what you are flooding I no be bedroom back to say ampa demaye maybe we are not expecting you as the regional minister then to come out to say but the people who are out did not see and know say when you go crab say and yes be a school down and hospital in some can. But I don't think a business school down Mount can share bed.
Abuja for me that's it. Me dini Djka. That's so Bre na share me. Make sure so be subscribe to channel no press notification button for more updates. I so Perosi computers some in control say bomodi and bra say laptop desktop and open computer and spec was to say Dell Acer and I say Asus and HP laptop bi a wo pɛ bia no spec bi a bomodi an febra beto laptop no ne ho techema yesan service kama enwuma ku a mo pɛ laptop atu ni do so puo ubie gaming center o pɛ laptop graphics no was the bo game a intwitwensi afo ani twem Perosi computers ye wo kuma se buo chrome estate Ela yani CS pub no ene di hwe no mu hwe akwan ne bibia nso enkoyi emfama me da se so Bre na hwe Accra bye bye.